SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, an epic-making launch of the U.S. Space Force's satellites. SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful rocket, takes to the skies. This time, it's not just another satellite. It's the future of America's national security. Locked in its cargo, a critical asset of the United States Space Force. A cluster of satellites, surveillance eyes in the sky, a symbol of America's dominance in the new space race. Strapped to the launch pad, the Falcon Heavy roars to life. A cascading plume of smoke heralds a mission that transcends commercial interests, a mission to safeguard America. Liftoff. The ground trembles, sound waves ripple through the air, and a blazing trail lights up the sky. The Falcon Heavy, a marvel of engineering, embarks on a critical voyage. As the rocket ascends, the satellites prepare for their new home. Soon, they'll be the silent guardians, watching over America from the edge of space. So, we look to the skies, where technology meets aspiration. With every SpaceX launch, we step further into a universe of possibilities. Today, we defend our future.